If you are staring at a blank screen trying to write a profitable Kindle book, you are probably crying into your coffee right now. The research takes weeks, the writing takes months, and formatting the files makes you want to throw your laptop out a window. BookMint claims to fix all of this without you having to write a single word or hire expensive freelancers. They call it a fully autonomous publishing agent. Let us see if it's actually true. Hey, Kamal from testedapps.com here. I have spent over 6 years testing software tools that promise you the moon but deliver a fancy dashboard with zero results. Today, we're doing an honest review. You're going to get real results, real talk, and absolutely no fluff. I'm going to show you the good, the bad, and the sneaky stuff hidden in the funnel. Before we dive in, make sure to grab this through my link below for some exclusive bonuses. I've put together a custom package to help you rank your books faster. Details are in the description. BookMint is a brand new cloud-based software built for affiliate marketers, beginners, and anyone wanting a piece of the Amazon Kindle gold rush. The main promise here is that it acts as a complete artificial intelligence agent. It's designed to research a niche, write a full 10,000-word book, design the cover, record an audiobook version, and format everything perfectly. And it does all of this without you needing a degree in creative writing or spending thousands of dollars on ghostwriters. The system breaks down into 3 dead simple steps. Step 1 is the setup. You just type in a basic keyword. Maybe you want to make a book on keto recipes or a guide to overcoming procrastination. You type it in, it's easier than ordering a pizza online. Step 2 is the execution. You click a button and let the software take over. The AI scans Amazon for high-demand gaps. Then it writes the entire manuscript. It even generates the cover art. No design skills required. Step 3 is publish and profit. The software packages everything into Kindle, paperback, and Audible-ready files. Boom, you have a product ready to sell to millions of Amazon buyers. Let's talk about what actually moves the needle here, because there's a lot of hype on the sales page. First, we have the built-in niche researcher. Most people fail on Amazon because they write books nobody's searching for. This tool scans real-time Amazon data to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. This is a massive painkiller. You stop guessing and start creating what people actually want to buy. Second, the voice narration engine. This is a huge money saver. Audiobooks are exploding right now, but hiring a human voice actor on Fiverr or Upwork will cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per book. BookMint generates studio-quality voiceovers in multiple languages instantly. It sounds incredibly human, not like a robot from the 1990s. Third, the automated formatting. If you've ever tried to manually format a document for Amazon Kindle, you know the frustration. Margins break, chapters misalign. It's a total disaster. BookMint spits out perfectly formatted files that Amazon accepts on the first try. That's a massive emotional win. Let's look at the pricing. The front-end price is just $17. That's a one-time payment. Think about the alternatives. Hiring a cheap ghostwriter for one small book is at least $300. A basic cover designer is $50. Voice actors are $500+. Doing it yourself takes 40 to 80 hours of your life. Even if you used premium writing tools and voice generation, you're paying $50 to $100 every single month. With BookMint, you pay $17 once and own the core engine forever. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
What if I told you that in the next 47 seconds, an AI could research a profitable niche, write a complete 10,000-word book, design a professional cover, and publish it live on Amazon? While you do absolutely nothing, you'd probably think I'm lying, but watch this. That book you just watched being created, it's already live on Amazon in front of 310 million buyers, and it took 47 seconds. Look, you've heard about Amazon KDP. You know people are making $5,000, $10,000, even $50,000 per month publishing books on Amazon. But here's what they don't tell you. You spend weeks researching niches, only to find 10,000 competitors already there. You pay a ghostwriter $1,500 for garbage content. You waste days formatting. You hire a designer for $500. And after all that, your book gets rejected for one tiny mistake. And you want to scream. That's $2,000 and 60 hours for one book. Meanwhile, top earners are publishing 20 to 30 books per month. How? They found a way to eliminate the process entirely. In 2024, something changed. A new technology emerged called agentic AI, not AI assistants, not AI tools that help you, fully autonomous AI agents that execute entire workflows without you. Google's CEO called it the most significant leap in artificial intelligence history. Microsoft invested $13 billion to develop it, and now, for the first time ever, this technology has been packaged into a complete Amazon publishing system. Meet BookMint, the world's first fully autonomous AI agent that doesn't assist you with publishing. It replaces you. Here's how it works. You open BookMint. You see one button, you press it. That's it. No typing, no prompts, no decisions. Watch what happens next. In 8 seconds, the AI scans Amazon's entire database, analyzing search trends, competition levels, and buyer behavior. It finds a profitable niche most authors will never discover. In 12 seconds, it writes a complete, engaging 10,000-word manuscript. Not an outline, not bullet points. A full book. In 6 seconds, it designs a professional cover that looks like it cost $500. In 4 seconds, it formats everything perfectly for Kindle, paperback, and audiobook. And in 17 seconds, it publishes directly to Amazon, live, visible to 310 million customers. Total time, 47 seconds. Your effort, pressing one button? Don't take my word for it. Meet Marcus. He was laid off in March, discovered BookMint in April, published 47 books in 3 months. He's now making $3,847 per month in royalties without writing a single word. Jennifer used to pay $2,000 per book for writers, designers, and narrators. She's published 23 books with BookMint in 8 weeks, saved over $46,000. David's audiobook royalties went from $0 to $1,340 per month in 60 days. Same content, double the income streams. These aren't mock-ups. These are real books. Live on Amazon, making real money, created by people who can't write, who aren't tech-savvy, who just pressed a button. Here's what makes BookMint different from every other publishing tool. Other tools still make you do the work. You research, you write prompts, you format, you upload. BookMint does all of it automatically. It creates Kindle books, paperbacks, and audiobooks simultaneously. One creation, 3 revenue streams. It includes AI voice narration in 80+ languages, studio quality, 0 cost. It finds hidden profit niches in real time before your competitors do. And it publishes in any genre: fiction, nonfiction, self-help, children's books, cookbooks, thrillers, romance. If Amazon sells it, BookMint creates it. Now, a system like this that replaces a $2,000 publishing team and does the work of 30 ghostwriters should cost $997 minimum. But here's the thing. I don't need your money. I need your success story. I need you to publish 30 books in 30 days and prove to everyone this is real. So today, you're getting BookMint for just $17. One time, no monthly fees, no subscriptions. Publish unlimited books books forever. Plus, you're getting $4,029 in bonuses. The 30 books in 30 days blueprint. Amazon KDP optimization checklist. 50 done-for-you book description templates. Premium AI voice library. The Kindle Cash multiplier training. Commercial license worth $1,997. And lifetime updates. Everything for $17. And you're protected by our 30-day triple guarantee. If BookMint doesn't create a complete book in 60 seconds, if you publish 10 books and don't see at least one generating sales, or if you're unhappy for any reason, just email us. Full refund, no questions. But I need to be honest, due to server costs, we can only accept 500 new users. After that, the price jumps to $97 and we close enrollment. Right now, there are still spots available, but this window is closing fast. So here's what happens next. Click the button below. Get instant access to BookMint. Press one button and watch an AI build your publishing empire while you do literally nothing. 310 million Amazon customers are waiting. Your books just need to exist. Click below before access closes. Click now. Your publishing empire starts in 47 seconds.
Now for the optional upgrades. Pay close attention here because this funnel has 9 steps. I'm going to save you some money. Upgrade 1 is BookMint Unlimited for $67. Do not pay that. Scroll to the bottom of the page, click No Thanks, and grab the downsell for $47. You absolutely need this if you want to scale up. The front end has limits. If you want to use the volume strategy and publish multiple books a week, get the unlimited version. Upgrade 2 is the Done For You package for $297. Grab the downsell for $197. This is my top pick for total beginners who want the vendor to set up the account, research the niches, and preload books for them. Upgrade 8 is the reseller license. Downsell is $97. If you're a marketer like me, this lets you sell this exact massive funnel and keep 100% of the money. Highly recommended. Skip upgrades 6 and 7. Those are done-for-you money sites. You don't need external websites. Amazon already has 310 million buyers. Don't overcomplicate it. I put BookMint through my usual torture test. Here's my honest insight. The sales page makes a huge deal about the one-click auto-publishing feature. It claims the AI logs into your account and publishes for you. Listen to me carefully. Do not use that feature. Amazon doesn't have an open public API for automated book publishing. If a software uses bot scripts to log in and upload files, Amazon will flag your account. You risk getting permanently banned. Here's the smart way to use this tool. Use BookMint as your ultimate content factory. Let it do the heavy lifting. Let it research. Let it write the manuscript. Let it design the cover and generate the audio. But then download those files to your computer. Take 5 minutes to review the text. Make sure it sounds good. Then log into your Amazon account yourself and upload the files manually. It still saves you weeks of hard work and thousands of dollars, but it keeps your account 100% safe. Work smart, not risky. Let's be clear about what this is not. This is not for people who want to write the next great American novel. If your dream is to spend 4 years crafting a masterpiece, this software is not for you. You'll still need to put in some effort. You need to read over the AI-generated content. You need to manually upload the files to stay safe. If you're looking for a magical money button where you literally do zero work and just watch movies all day, keep scrolling. You still have to treat this like a real business. But imagine the alternative. Imagine waking up, finding a hidden profitable niche in a few seconds, and having a complete book and audiobook ready to sell by lunchtime. No struggling with writer's block, no fighting with formatting software, no draining your bank account on freelancers. That's exactly what BookMint unlocks when you use it correctly. The link is below. The $17 launch pricing won't last long. Grab it now and secure your copy. Got questions? Drop a comment below and I'll answer them. Hit the like button if you found this honest review helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more tool breakdowns and marketing strategies. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. See ya.